If you're trying to keep your online activity private but don't want to spend money, there are actually some options for free VPNs for Windows out there. So stick around because I'll show you a few of the best ones that are safe, trustworthy, and really free. Now, if you want to get a really solid VPN and don't mind paying for privacy and security, make sure to check out the links in the description below or scan the QR code on screen to get some solid deals on paid VPNs that I recommend. Okay, here are some of the best free VPNs for Windows right now, starting with ProtonVPN. This one has a free plan that doesn't slap a data limit on you like many others do. Unlimited data on a free VPN is rare, so you don't have to worry about running out halfway through a stream or while you're working. The catch is that you only get a handful of server locations, but the ones you do get are pretty solid and stable. If you just want something simple and reliable without paying anything, ProtonVPN is worth checking out. Then there's Windscribe, which is another one that gets bought up a lot for good reason. They give you 10 gigs of free data every month, which is way better than what most free VPNs hand out. Plus, they have a choice of servers in like 10 different countries. So you can use it to get around basic geo blocks or just keep your connection safe when you're at home or on public Wi-Fi. The nice little bonus here is that it has an ad blocker built right in, so you don't have to deal with the ads that usually slow down your browsing. It's really beginner friendly too, so if you've never used a VPN before, Windscribe won't overwhelm you. Another one that still holds up is Hotspot Shield. Now, their free version isn't unlimited like Proton, but you get about 500 megabytes a day, which works out to be around 15 gigs a month. That's not terrible for casual use, like checking email, scrolling social media, or jumping on sketchy Wi-Fi at a cafe. It's really quick to set up and easy to use, which makes it appealing for people who just want to click a button and be protected. The trade-off is you're stuck with one server location and some ads. But for quick and simple use, it does the job. Now, here's the thing. Free VPNs can absolutely be useful if you're dabbling or just need them every once in a while. But if you're serious about security, speed, and convenience, the paid ones are just in a whole different league. You don't have to worry about being throttled, you don't have to stress about limited server access, and you get way more privacy features that the free versions just don't offer. Plus, the paid providers aren't running ads or selling your data to make their money, which makes them a whole lot easier to trust. And if you're planning to use a VPN regularly, paying for one honestly saves you from all the frustrations that come with the free limits. So let me quickly tell you which paid VPNs I actually recommend because these are the ones worth paying for. First is Surfshark. This one is great because you can connect as many devices as you want, no limits. So whether it's your laptop, your phone, your tablet, or if you want to share with family, it covers you. You can grab it with 60% off plus 3 free months using the link in the description or the QR code on the screen. On top of that, it comes with Clean Web, which blocks ads and trackers, and it has a no borders mode that helps you use it in places where VPNs are usually blocked. Then there's NordVPN, which is kind of the golden standard. Right now, you can get 74% off plus 3 free months with those same links. They've got a huge network of servers worldwide, so finding a fast and stable connection is never a problem. They also throw in features like TotalVPN and Onion over VPN for people who want that extra layer of security. And their apps are super simple to use, so even if you've never touched a VPN in your life, you'll be fine. TotalVPN is another one I think is worth pointing out because it's super straightforward. They don't overload you with a million settings. It's just strong encryption, good speeds, and a solid no logs policy. You can get it for 80% off right now, which makes it a really affordable option if you want something simple and effective without extras you might never need. Now, CyberGhost is great if you want something user-friendly, but also optimized for specific things like streaming or torrenting. You can get it for 84% off plus 4 free months. It actually picks the best server for what you're doing, which saves you the hassle of trial and error. They've also got a strict no logs policy, so you're covered privacy-wise too. And then there's NortonVPN. Everyone knows Norton from antivirus software, but their VPN is pretty solid too, especially if you're already using their security products. You can grab it right now with up to $35 off. It has no data caps, the speeds are good, and it's really easy to use. So yeah, to wrap this up, free VPNs are fine if you just want to dip your toes in or protect yourself here and there. But if you actually care about speed, privacy, and convenience, paid VPNs are the move. So don't forget to check out the links in the description below or just scan the QR codes on the screen to get the best deals available on these VPNs. And before you go, I actually want to hear from you guys. Have you tried any free VPNs or did you just go straight for a paid one? Which one worked for you and what was your experience like? Drop your comments down below. I really want to know what you guys have to think about this.